Rolling over a 401k to Vanguard is a straightforward process that can help you consolidate your retirement accounts and potentially reduce fees. To get started, you will need to have an existing 401k account and a Vanguard account. If you don't have a Vanguard account, you can easily open one on their website. First, gather the necessary documents, including your 401k account statement and the Vanguard account information. You will need the account numbers and other details to complete the rollover process. Next, decide which type of Vanguard account you want to roll your 401k into, such as a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. Now, contact your 401k plan administrator to initiate the rollover process. They will provide you with a few options to complete the rollover, including a direct rollover or an indirect rollover. A direct rollover is the most common method, where the funds are transferred directly from your 401k account to your Vanguard account. To complete the direct rollover, you will need to provide your 401k plan administrator with your Vanguard account information, including the account number and the type of account. They will then send the funds to Vanguard, and the process is usually completed within a few days. Alternatively, you can also use the indirect rollover method, where you receive a check from your 401k plan administrator and then deposit it into your Vanguard account. However, this method may be subject to taxes and penalties, so it is generally not recommended. Once the rollover is complete, you can review your Vanguard account to ensure that the funds have been transferred correctly. You can also use this opportunity to review your investment options and make any necessary changes to your portfolio. It is essential to note that rolling over a 401k to Vanguard may have tax implications, so it is recommended that you consult with a tax professional or financial advisor before making any decisions. Additionally, you should review the fees associated with your Vanguard account to ensure that you are not incurring any unnecessary expenses. By following these steps, you can easily roll over your 401k to Vanguard and start managing your retirement savings in one convenient place. Remember to always review your accounts regularly and make adjustments as needed to ensure that you are on track to meet your retirement goals.